Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Facebook page. So connecting Etsy to Facebook page helps you promote products and drive traffic to your shop, for example. So you will need to know that there is no deep automatic integration anymore, but you can go with Zapier, okay? So first things first, you will need to sign in with your account and then just go with the create option that's located at the top left corner of the page or website, and then just go with the first option, Zaps, right? Click it just like so, and then here you have two options. You can use the AI to build the integration between them, or you can go manually, okay? So first I will explain the manual step or method. So just go with trigger right here, look for Etsy, and then just choose it, okay? So first you will need to have the subscription or the premium plan on Zapier, right, to visualize it and to select it. And right then you will need to choose the trigger action or the triggers, and then you will need to sign in with your Etsy account just right here. And after that you will need to go and click on action and look for Facebook and go with Facebook pages, okay? So then just go with action events and change or choose change page profile photo, create page photo, create page post, create page video, post insights, etc. And then go with account here, click on sign in and sign in with your account. Also, if you want to use the AI, you can just go ahead and type for it. So you can go with, can you please select the Etsy as trigger and the Facebook pages as the action and integrate them. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.